Welcome to a newly completed modern residence where contemporary architecture meets calm, natural design. This single-level luxury home offers nearly 4,000 square feet of refined living space on more than half an acre, surrounded by open views and complete privacy from the first step inside. A 12-foot pivot door and soaring ceilings create a dramatic introduction. Walls of glass fill the great room with natural light, revealing warm white oak details, soft neutral tones, and fine natural materials. A striking fireplace wrapped in imported tile anchors the space, paired with a floating quartz hearth softly illuminated from below. The kitchen continues the theme of modern artistry with flat panel cabinetry, champagne gold accents, a circular marble backsplash, and a quartzite waterfall island designed for gatherings. A walk-in pantry keeps the space clean and organized. The primary suite offers a spa-like atmosphere with polished finishes and a freestanding soaking tub. Each guest suite includes its own elegant ensuite bath, and a dedicated office frames peaceful views to inspire productivity. A private casita adds flexibility for guests with its own amenities for a comfortable retreat. Outdoor living is equally serene, featuring a pool, spa, covered patio areas, and low-maintenance desert landscaping that blends seamlessly with the natural surroundings. A 3-car garage, premium appliances, and thoughtful design details throughout complete the experience. This modern sanctuary is crafted for those who appreciate balance, beauty, and timeless contemporary living.